Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. There's a lot going on when it comes to home robotics these days. The folks at iRobot keep innovating. Amazon has a robot called Astro on the way, and a company named Unlimited Robotics has opened pre-orders for a robot it calls Gary. It's designed to be able to navigate pretty much anywhere in the home or office with arms that can help with laundry, putting toys away, and will work with a wide range of third-party created apps, much as a smartphone does. CEO Guy Altagar.
We are in an era on which devices can perform different types of tasks. And in addition to that, we also offer for different types of software developers the opportunity to start developing robot applications.
There's info about that and more at unlimited-robotics.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.